I want you guys to take your time and listen to this.
Within the week, the president gave a posthumous award to the Ogoni Four, the four that were left out from the Ogoni Nine. And then there was a talk about exploration, and then, total reconciliation. He directed the NSA along with the stakeholders to make sure that eventually everything that caused the crisis comes to an end and the people reconcile. What do you make of what the president did towards reconciling Ogoni people and then, calming nerves and making sure that that episode is behind us?
For me, selective justice will not bring about peace in our country. When you talk about wanting to reconcile the nation, there's a lot beyond Ogoni that should call for reconciliation. Nigerian leaders need to realize that indeed other parts of the country has also been terribly hurt. The Igbo people in Nigeria, what is their crime? Ogoni 4 that has been so posthumously recognized and all of that, we have challenges going on today. What is Nnamdi Kanu still doing, languishing in the DSS cell? You see, this country, we're too selective about the application for justice, and it won't take us anywhere. It has to be holistic, like my colleague said. We need to indeed be deliberate about wanting to unite our nation and put it on a path to greatness, but not by choosing those who you may want to patronize at when it suits you. Nigeria needs to recognize that also the Igbo people are being treated shabbily, terribly in Nigeria. And there's a need for us to use the Ogoni 4 that the federal government has recognized to also call their attention to these other parts of Nigeria. If you say it is about terrorism, terrorists are being negotiated with in our country today. People will come with their arms and all of that, and government agents will sit down with them and discuss and all that. And then those who are saying we're being treated badly in our country, and if you don't want us, why don't you allow us to go? They are called terrorists, they are imprisoned, and nobody is giving them any fair hearing. I want to use this opportunity to call the president of Nigeria his attention to the need to indeed release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu so that we can have peace in the southeastern Nigeria. Or is the president comfortable with the wreckage that we're seeing in the southeast? That the economy of Nigeria in that part of the southeastern Nigeria is in a terrible state and nobody cares? Just because there is a need to, forget possibly this other part. It's not right. If the reconciliation call is not holistic, it won't take us anywhere. So, Mr. President, in these good moves that you are making towards reconciling Nigeria, it would be right to release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu and then bring all Nigerians together to discuss our common interests, because this country belongs to all of us. So for the Ogoni 4, well, what has the dead got to do with the living? But we commend the president, but the president, please, release Mazen Nnamdi Kanu.
Let me bring in.
If you don't do that urgently, it may become another challenge for the entire country.
Let me bring